Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to Narana Live classes. We are going to continue with the chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair. Two questions are given here and we need to choose correct option. Let's see our first question. I got up early. For me, it implies that. What is the meaning of I got up early? He was a late riser. Generally, he used to wake up late in the morning, but that day he got up early. The bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. What does it mean? The remark is, what is the meaning of this remark? As the bicycle is a machine only, it's not a living thing. So the remark is humorous. Did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. The front wheel wobbled occasionally, but it didn't require any attention. The bicycle was in good condition and the author was pleased with it. He was very happy and no attention was required after that wobbling. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? What he had seen. When the author returned from the tool shed, his friend had taken out the front wheel of the bicycle. His friend was sitting on the ground with the wheel between his legs. He was playing with the wheel, while the other parts of the bicycle was laying on the gravel path beside him. Everything was scattered on the ground and he was playing with the front wheel. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this statement in the light of what actually happens. The author's friend took out the gear case easily, but he was having a nightmare in putting it back to its place because it's very difficult to fix it properly. What special treatment did the chain receive? Author's friend tightened it to an extent that it didn't move at all. It was very tight. Then he loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Then he loosened it very much. So this kind of treatment the chain received. The friend has two qualities. He knows what he is doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the two phrases in the text which means the same. Means which shows his confidence and the word which shows his positive attitude. The first is cherry confidence and the next is inexplicable hopefulness. He was very hopeful that whatever he is doing, that is perfect. Blank, if not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? What is we miss? If they miss, what will happen with the bicycle? It refers to ball bearing. They were talking about ball bearing. That if that they will not find those ball bearings, the wheel will not be able to work properly. Thank you, children. Have